Welcome to Hairfree and Hairgrow Hair Transplant Clinic. Today we will share the journey of a patient who had hair transplant with us. He had Norwood grade 3 history with androgenetic alopecia, which means male pattern baldness. He was losing hair from both front sides. The patient donor area is good for hair transplant. We need 3800 plus grafts for cover bald area. Then we create a hairline that suits patient face and age so it's look natural and attractive. We implanted 3800 plus grafts for cover bald area and good density so it's look natural. After 2 months of hair transplant, patient come back our clinic for routine checkup. Almost 70% of hair shed during shading phase. Only after 2 months of hair transplant donor area is already recovered and healthy again. No visible scar and nobody can't tell 3800 plus grafts harvested from this area. This is when patient come back after 6 months and results is very visible. And this is final result of 8 months. As you can see, this looks so natural that nobody can't tell this is transplanted hair or not. This comb test shows that how transplanted hair mix with other hairs. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more such hair transplant results.